Dear students, welcome back to the English class. Here we have the lesson I would like to be. The exercise C. Use the following phrases in sentences of your own. You can see there are 6 phrases given. We need to frame our own sentence and write the phrases on our own. So let's start writing the phrases. As cold as ice. As cold as ice. Let's the stone floor was as cold as ice. Let's underline this as we have made use the phrase in the sentence. The stone floor was as cold as ice. Coming to second one, number 2, as hard as stone. The chocolate cake was as hard as stone. Let's underline as hard as stone. The chocolate cake was as hard as stone. As sweet as honey. Number 3, as sweet as honey. The apple custard was as sweet as honey. So let's underline. The apple custard was as sweet as honey. Number 4, as old as the hills. My house in Kashmir is as old as the hills. My house in Kashmir is as old as the hills. Number 5, as white as snow. Rani's sports uniform is as white as snow. Rani's sports uniform is as white as snow. Coming to number 6, as round as an apple. The earthen globe that Hari made was as round as an apple. These are the 6 sentences where we have made on our own by using the phrases. Even you can try with writing the different sentences using the phrases. Let's see now learning about language using the articles. Articles are used, for example, add a, an or the to the following. Be careful, some of the blanks should be left empty. So let's write start using the articles. So old, you should say an old. An old dash gardener. So let's write his name as X. An old X gardener came to the garden every day in dash morning, in the morning, as dash sun, the sun was rising. He took up dash old watering can, an old watering can, filled it at dash tank, the tank, and watered dash few dash bits, watered a few dash bits. So this dash should be left empty. I watered a few beads. Then he cut dash grass, the grass, and picked dash vegetable, a vegetable. Or this should be left empty, or two. Then the gardener sat under dash orange tree, an orange tree, and ate his, leave it empty, breakfast. So you can notice here some of the blanks which have marked X or as the cross mark, you need to leave them empty. So the first one, an old gardener. So this blank is empty. An old gardener came to the garden every day in the morning as the sun was rising. He took up an old watering can, filled it at the tank and watered a few bits. So this dash is empty. Then he cut the grass and picked a vegetable or two. Then the gardener sat under an orange tree and ate his breakfast. So you can identify the 4 blanks are empty. So here we complete the exercise of the poem I would like to be. Thank you.